Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to show you some of the next level production lines. But before moving on to that, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. First up, we have the production of an absolutely massive spring from SUHM. Though SUHM normally specializes in the production of more regularly sized parts, generally springs and other small components, they also have the capacity to make absolutely massive ones. In this case, they are forming a giant spring with a red-hot rod being shaped around a large steel cylinder. Here is the same process from the other side, where you can get a glimpse of the rod exiting the furnace and the furnace closing. The final step in the process is to remove the spring from the cylinder, done by rotating it off, sort of like a screw. Next up, from China RCM, we have some rotary friction welding. Here they weld two axles at once onto a single component. By spinning up two pieces of metal and forcing them into contact, the two create an enormous amount of heat. This heat is enough to actually melt the area where the two make contact, and in doing so the two pieces of metal can actually become welded together. They shear off the excess that forms at the end to make a cleaner looking product. Next, from ALUPLAST, we have some PVC extrusion. Extrusion is a manufacturing technique useful in the creation of products, especially plastic products that have a long continuous shape with a constant cross-section. The cross-section is what you see when you cut something and look at the resulting face. The product we're looking at here, for example, is meant to evenly support a window along its edge. From the SMS Group, a look into the impressive processes involved in the metal industry. The processes of the metal industry are incredibly demanding. Extremely precise tolerances with the ability to handle hellish heats is essential. From forging down to forming, everything must be done just right. Another example of friction welding comes from an MTI. Here we get a more up-close look at the process. When the two metals are forced into contact, a residual is formed as the molten metal is pushed towards the outside. This creates a sort of double ring effect of red-hot excess material that can be used as an indicator to determine when the job is done. Once the metal has cooled down, the process is now complete. A braiding machine interlaces 3 or more strands of yarn or wire to create a variety of materials, including rope, reinforced hose, covered power cords, and some types of lace. The MOT 96-1-130 is designed for bridging the carbon fiber. It has 96 carriers on the head, which lets you braid a mandrel with 500 by 500 by 1000 mm dimensions. No doubt this machine is worth buying and cost saving. With a hydraulic tube bender, you can make handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and much more. It is faster and more precise than manual models, and saves physical effort. This bender machine doesn't require any human force. You just have to put the steel tube in the right way and wait for the bending process. It costs less than you would spend on a programmable tube bender. FORMECH's 508FS machine offers a significant advantage over the desktop series with pre-stretch, auto-level, and a much more powerful flow rate for demanding applications. This machine gives you the freedom to design all ranges of decorative pieces from printed POS to car body shells. Its innovative graphically driven touchscreen control with memory function makes the 508FS very easy to use, whilst its powerful forming capabilities provide extensive project versatility. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.